Hey, in today's video, I want to give you this free fall artwork dupe that I made and show you how easy and inexpensive it is to download it and print it out so you can decorate your home this fall season. So let's get going. So these are the two fall images that I have that you can print in any size from a 4x6 all the way up to a large poster size like a 24x36. There are two ways that you can do this. You can either print it out at home or you can send it to a local print provider. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do both of these methods. Okay, for step one, you're going to go down in the description, and down there you're going to find two links, and one of them is going to be for the "'Tis the Season to Be Thankful," that poster, and one is going to be a link to the fall scenery. So whichever one you want, you can pick both if you want both of them, but you're going to click on that. That's going to take you to the Google Drive where I have all of the different sizes of the posters saved. So after you've done that, now we're on to step two. So now that you're at the Google Drive, you're going to want to download the size that you want. So your screen should look something like this, with the 5x7, the 11x14, the 16x20, or the 8x10, it would be the same one, and the 24x36 or the 4x6 would also be the same download. So once you decide the size that you would like, you're simply going to double click it and it will pull it up like this. And once you see this, you're going to want to go up and click the little button that says download, and it will download it to your computer. And as you can see here, the fall scenery is laid out in the same exact way. You would just do the same steps for it as well. So now that you have it downloaded to your computer, we're ready to print it. So let's start off by doing the print at home method. Now once you download it, it should pull up something like this on your computer. Double click it and it will pull up this. You're going to tell it to print. Make sure you have the correct printer selected and the paper size that you would like to print it on. I had some 5x7 photo paper, so that's what I used to print mine on, but you can simply print it on regular paper and just cut it out to fit your size that you want. And if you don't have a printer at your home, you can simply do this next step of sending it to a local printing service, even if you're wanting a smaller size or a larger size. You can get any of these prints made at a CVS, a Walgreens, FedEx will do it, Walmart will do it. If you want to do it online, you can do it through something like Shutterfly.com. But I have a Walgreens close to me, so I use them most. So let's go and I'll show you how to use them. So you're going to go online to place your order. You're going to go to Photos and then go down to Posters. And after you get to the posters and banners, a lot of times you will see this. They will have a coupon code at the top of their page, and I always look for their coupon codes. I never pay full price for any of them. So you're going to scroll down and select Posters, and after you do that, it's going to bring you to this screen. And I just select the satin paper, and for this illustration, I'm going to do the 24x36. And then just select Create Now. And as we're waiting for it to upload, I apologize. I don't know what happened to my screen here, but the colors are kind of crazy on it, but I think you can still tell what I'm doing. In the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click the Upload button and then select From My Computer. Then you're going to go into your computer and select the file where it downloaded. So whichever one you downloaded, you'll select it and upload it. So once it comes in, you're just going to tell it Done, and then you're going to tell it to Add to Project. Since our art is vertical and not horizontal, it's going to come in kind of crazy like this, so you're going to want to select your orientation to be vertical instead of horizontal. There you go. So then you're going to tell it you want to review the order up in the upper right hand corner. Click that. And then you're ready to proceed to the checkout. When you get to this screen, this is where you can put your coupon code in. So at the time of recording, they had a coupon code that was 60 Decorate, and you simply type that in. You could give that a try and see if it works for you. For me, it gave me 60% off. As you can tell here, it saved me $19.19. So if that code is not working, you could look around and see on their site, they probably have another coupon code. So once you get it home, it'll be wrapped up like this. And now it's ready to just be put in your favorite frame. And ta-da, there you go. Fall artwork that you did not have to break the bank to get. I hope that helped you out. And if it did, I think you'll like this video as well. See you in the next video.